Good morning, students. Today we shall continue with question number 5 of exercise 13.1. Okay, look at question number 5. 148-meter wire is required to fence a square field. Find one side of the field. Okay, so let's make a figure for this first. It is asking a square field. This is a square field where all the sides are equal. Okay, and the perimeter is given 148 meter. The total perimeter is given. This is the perimeter boundary. Okay, so perimeter is given 148 meter. Now the question is asking us to find the side of the square field. Okay, for this we will write given. We will write given. What is given here? Perimeter equals to 148 meter. Now the question is asking us to find the side. Therefore we know side of square field equals to perimeter by 4. Okay, perimeter. What is the perimeter here? 148 meter upon 4. Okay, now see, we need to divide it. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. What is left here? 2. 4 sevens are 28. See, the side is 37 meter. See, if you don't know how to cut this, you can divide it simply in the rough part. Okay, and then write the answer here. Okay, so like this we have to find out this answer. Okay, now let's read question number 6. A rectangular field is 450 meter long. Long means length is given, and 318 means meter wide. Okay, this is breadth. It is to be fenced with a barbed wire. How much wire will be required? See, to fence this boundary, barbed wire is required. How much barbed wire is required for this? We will be finding perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, see here, let's write it in this manner. Just make a figure for this. Long, how much? 450 meter. This is 450 meter, and this is 318 meter. Okay, length and breadth is given. So let's solve in this manner. Given length equals to 450 meter, breadth 318 meter. Okay, now the question is asking perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular field equals to, what is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. The formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Now write 2 into, what is the length? Length is 450, and what is breadth? 318. Now add these two. Okay, so 2 into 8 plus 0 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. 768 meter. This is meter. Let's check it once again. Okay, good. Now you multiply it by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 1 13. 2 7 are 14, 1 15. 1536 meter we are getting as the perimeter. Therefore, in the answer sentence you will writing, therefore 1536 meter barbed wire is required to fence the square, sorry, direct we can write the field. 1536 meter barbed wire is required to fence the rectangular field, or you can write fence the field. Okay, so you have to write your answer in this manner. Now let's look at the questions. How many of these questions you can solve by yourself? Let's check. See here, let's read question number 7. A rectangular picture is 68 centimeter long and 44 centimeter wide. Okay, find the length of wooden frame to frame it. See here also you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Use the formula and find it. It is similar to question number 6. Now question number 8. A park is 135 meter long and 83 meter wide. Rakesh goes jogging around it 6 times. How much distance does he cover? See, first you find out the perimeter and then multiply it by 6. You'll find how much distance is Rakesh covering in 6 times jogging around it. So you can do this. Okay. Now let's look at question number 9. Tina wants to put a lace around a square table cover which is 2.5 meter on all the sides. Find the length of the lace. Okay, let's do this question. So you can do question number 7 and 8 by yourself. Okay, question number 9 we will do. So right, just make a square table. Okay, what is the side given? 2.5 meter, right? 2.5 meter. Okay, now see, given, what is given here? Side equals to 2.5 meter. Side equals to 2.5 meter. Therefore, we will be finding the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square table equals to 4 into side. You need to keep all the formula in your mind. Okay, 4 into side. So 4 into 2.5. 4 into 2.5 is how much? 10 meter. Okay, see, you can multiply and get the answer. I know 4 into 2.5 is 10. Okay, now therefore the length of lace would be 10 would be of 10 meter, would be of 10 meter. Okay, see, around it you have to put a lace. You have to put a lace, and the question is asking what is the length of lace is required. Length of lace must be equals to the perimeter of the table. Okay, so you will be writing your answer in this manner. Okay, now let's look at question number 10. How much will it cost to fence a park 89-meter long and 75-meter wide at the rate of rupees 5 per meter? Okay, let's do this question. Question number 10. Question is asking you to fence it around at the rate of rupees 5 per meter. Okay, first of all, we will find the perimeter of the park. See, length and breadth is given. It means it is a rectangular park. It is a rectangular park. Okay, and what is the length given? 89 meter. Breadth is 75. 89 meter, 75 meter. Okay, given length equals to 89 meter, breadth 75 meter, and cost to fence at the rate rupees 5 per meter. It is written 5 per meter. Now what we need to find? First find out perimeter of what? Park. Perimeter of park equals to 2 into length plus breadth. It is a rectangular park, so 2 into what is the length given here? 89 plus breadth is 75. Clear? Okay, now 2 into, add these two, 9 plus 5 is 14, 8 plus 7 15, 116, 164. Okay, clear? 2 into 164, how much? 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 1 goes here, 2 1 2, 1 3, 328 meter. Okay, so we are getting the perimeter of park as 328 meter. Clear? Now, therefore, cost of fencing the park at the rate rupees 5 per meter equals to what to do? 328 will be multiplied by 5. 328 will be multiplied by 5. So 5 8s are 40, 4 5 2s are 10, and 4 14. 1 goes here. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 1640 rupees, 1640. Let's multiply it once again. 5 8s are 40, 4 there, 5 2s are 10, and 4 14. 1 goes here. 5 3 15 16. So 1640. Okay, now let's look at question number 11. Reena runs along the sides of a square garden which is 85 meter long. If she covers 50 centimeter in one step, how many steps will she take to run around the garden? Okay, the question is square garden. So first of all, you find out the perimeter of the square garden. Okay, now perimeter of square garden, it is in meter. Just convert it into centimeter and then divide it by 50. You'll get how much distance, how many steps she's taking to cover the round of the garden. Okay, so what you need to do first find out the perimeter of the square garden, convert it into centimeter and divide it by 50. You'll get the answer. Okay, so today we are doing up to this only, and in the next class we'll start the next exercise, and we will be discussing these questions in the online classes today. Okay, thank you.